Hi, my name is Matt Bryant, and I'm a physics teacher at South Warren High School in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I'm also a nationally board certified teacher. So I certified in adolescent young adult science, specializing in physics in 2017. And I think that the national board certification process has been very valuable for me, not only in my teaching, but also as a professional. So soon after I certified in 2017, I applied for a program at the Perimeter Institute of Theoretical Physics in Canada and got selected to go and learn about teaching modern physics and how to incorporate those ideas into regular physics classroom curriculum, and was exposed to all kinds of other teaching pedagogies while I was there, which got me excited to learn even more. I was recently I served as an Albert Einstein Distinguished Educator Fellow, which is a program run through the Department of Energy. And I served as a congressional aide, legislative assistant in a United States congressional office for the past year, sort of specializing in educational issues. And the process of national board certification not only helped me in making a strong application, but the process of writing and making sure that I was backing up my statements with evidence, which is what I want my students to do as well in their science classes, served me well in making that application very, very strong. And then also in my work in that office in writing things for Congressman Grijalva. So it's been a valuable experience. The same time that I got to spend time working in the office there, I was also able to spend a great deal of time reflecting on my own teaching, sort of reevaluating the priorities that I wanted to emphasize for my students, and going through that's one of the 5 core propositions. Teachers need to be reflective in their work. And so that whole thing has got me sort of reignited my enthusiasm for teaching and trying new things. And so I'm doing a bunch of new things this year, and including not only how I teach, but also how do I evaluate and communicate student progress to the students. And all of that stems from my work through national board certification. And so I'm very thankful to be part of a larger learning community now, a professional community, which involves organizations that I've been a part of before, like the National Science Teacher Association and the American Association of Physics Teachers, but also new networks to include Einstein Fellows, as well as the American Modeling Teaching Association. So national board certification process is a great one. I'm actually looking forward to my maintenance of certification, which will be the new process starting here in September. And so I'm looking forward to doing that. And once again, sort of reflecting on what I'm doing and if it's working and how I can change to make it better for myself and my students. And so it's worthwhile as an educator and as a professional, the process. So I would encourage you to consider it, and I wish you luck.